this is the current state of my vanity area. If you guys have seen my room tour video, this is a pretty familiar spot. I intended this to be an actual vanity where I sit down and do my makeup, hence why you can see my makeup bags and box and some hairstyling tools in there. But I never really use it. I kind of use it as like a display table with my Funkos and my jewelry and some knickknacks that I really like, my perfumes, my air freshener, all that good jazz. The only issue is that I really want to actually use this now that I'm healthy and stable in my autoimmune disease, that I can finally wear makeup with caution. And I just want to also do my skincare routine. So the contents of this box will go hopefully into that little corner right over there. Yeah, the bottom of this vanity table thing is a hot mess. I just have, again, my makeup and my hairstyling tools, but also this giant BT21 bag that has all my reusable shopping bags for miscellaneous uses. And I just want this to be specifically a clear area for me to get ready. So let's pray. And now the fun part. Opening this box. Can I just say one thing before I open this? The main reason I bought this is because the insignia reminds me of the backwards S, heart, that is part of the insignia for SS501, which is my favorite K-pop band. So, and it's a Korean skincare brand called Saranghae. So I'm excited. Okay, first of all, guys, this is really cute. Oh my god, you can't really see it though because of the flash, but look at this. Look at this. This is actually really cute. And again, love that insignia. Love that it's a Korean brand, and I love that I only got this for 29 bucks. Free shipping too. I gotta love the New Year's Day prices. Yeah, isn't it pretty? Let's see here. Yep, it's got the cords and everything in here, but let's set this up really quick, okay? So I feel a little dumb. So this is the power adapter for when it's plugged into the wall. And I had no idea, but you can actually bring this with you on like car trips and stuff, because this is a car charger. So yeah, if I ever get a car and I need to drive to LA or something and I need to bring my skincare, well, there we go, that's that. So kind of a situation, the cord for the skincare fridge is really short. So unless I want it directly underneath this side, I don't think it's gonna reach it, especially since the plug for my air diffuser is also really chunky. So I'm gonna have to pull out an extra cord for this. Surprised at how little space she actually takes. But yeah, it's plugged in. The little on switch and cooling switch is on, so it's plugged in. It's just chilling out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stuff back in here, and then I'm gonna put also my skincare stuff in here. So we'll see how it goes. looks really good. I really am proud of how this vanity is turned out. I didn't have to do much except just remove the BT21 bag full of my reusable shopping bags, just because it's already going to be blocking the cord connected to the fridge, and I don't want to cause a fire hazard on a place that I will get ready for. So yeah, this is the setup, and let's try to get some skincare into that fridge. Obviously, this isn't what I expect all of my stuff to fit in this fridge, but this is definitely the contenders. So this part took a little bit more rearranging than I thought, just because I didn't like the feng shui of having my reusable toner pads not close to the skincare fridge, so I had to do a little bit of rearrangement, but not too bad. Want to see what's inside? So that is the new vanity setup and skincare fridge setup. I am really excited to use that, guys. I'm probably gonna do some self-care, shower, skincare routine, pampering right now. Speaking of which, do you guys want to see a skincare routine video? Let me know by liking, subscribing, and commenting down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay sweet.